farm.
Hi. These flowers are cold, but before we take them inside, we thought we'd cheer them up with a song.
Well, if you're feeling sad and blue, I have just the trick for you. I'm not just a snowman, I'm a showman. Here we go, let's put on a show. Show. Let's put on a show. Snow show. Well, it's easy to put on a show. Just watch and you will see. Anyone can do it if they put their mind to it. Just follow along with me. Twirl your hat.
Twirl your hat.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Twirl, twirl.
Twirl, twirl.
Twirl, twirl, twirl.
Yeah.
Let's put on a show.
Show.
Put on a show.
Snow show.
Well, I'm not just a snowman, I'm a showman. Here we go, let's put on a show.
Show.
Are you starting to feel a bit better?
Snow show.
Well, you don't need fancy dancing shoes. You don't need tricks or spins. You can put on a show with simple farming things. Dance with a rake.
Dance.
Dance with a shovel.
Dance.
A wheelbarrow will do.
Dance.
Here's a bucket for you.
Dance.
Let's put on a show.
Show.
Put on a show.
Snow show.
Well, there's one last thing that I'll show you. It's juggling with veg and fruit. You can juggle with 2 or 3 or 4. And if you're real good, you can juggle with more. Juggle.
Juggle.
Juggle, juggle.
Juggle.
Juggle, juggle, juggle.
Juggle.
Juggle, juggle, juggle. Now let's put everything together. Twirl your hat.
Twirl your hat.
Get ready to dance.
Dance.
Juggle some fruit.
Veg and fruit.
I'm so proud of you.
Woo.
You put on a show.
We put on a show.
A LelLellobee show.
Yeah. We're gonna play football today. We're gonna kick. We're gonna run. A winter game of football sounds like fun.
It's such a lovely day to play football.
Football.
So come on, everybody, play along.
Play along. Call it soccer or football. We'll play together in the snow. The whole farm's here to cheer you on.
You have to shoot the ball.
Shoot. And pass it to your friends. Pass. You have to run around. Run. And if you fall, just get up again.
It's so much fun to play winter football.
Hey, look at the score.
The game is tied.
Lettie hits the ball with her head. Ella does some tricks instead. And Penguin does a super slide.
It's time to cheer on your friends.
Cheer. And shoot to score a goal. Shoot.
You have to run around.
Run. And if you score, time to celebrate. We won. We play football on a winter's day. We learn to kick. We learn to run.
A winter game of football, that was fun! Hi, we're decorating the farm for Christmas, but there's so much to do. If only there was someone who could help us.
Gingerbread man. He's magic gingerbread man.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
La 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 la.
Gingerbread man is so jolly.
Fa la 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 la. Hang the lights around the tree. Fa la 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 la.
Gingerbread man, dance with me.
Fa la 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 la. Gingerbread man. He's a magic gingerbread man. Hang
watch him go.
La 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 la. Hanging up the mistletoe. Fa la 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 la.
Gingerbread man may be tiny,
Fa la 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 la.
but he's made the farm so shiny.
Fa la 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 la.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Hi, I'm feeling a bit scared because of the storm. Grandma May is going to show me there's nothing to worry about.
There's a thunderstorm. It isn't very warm. It's really wet outside. Oh my, let's sit by the window. We will hear the sounds of raindrops pouring down. But please don't be afraid. It's okay on this thunderstormy day. Do you hear that sound? Crack, crack, crack. That's a lightning bolt. And there's the big low rumble of the thunder.
Look at all the clouds, they're dark, but anyhow, there's nothing we should fear. We're all here
On this thunderstormy day. Okay.
Do you hear that sound?
Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. That's the blowing wind. And there's the big low rumble of the thunder. Storms are cool, storms are fun, and they leave lots of puddles when the storm is done. The rain has gone away, so let's go out and play. Get on your rubber boots. Look at that. The clouds are clearing up now.
What a special day in a stormy way. We were afraid, you see.
You and me on LelLellobee. A stormy day on LelLellobee. Yee-hee. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la.
'Tis the season to be jolly.
Fa la 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 la. Light the lights and hang the tinsel. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be cheerful. Fa la 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 la. Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year on LelLellobee Farm. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Hi, I'm Ella. It's really hot today, and we need to stay cool. Come on, I'll show you how.
Let's find some shade beneath this apple tree.
Woo! Grab your big sun hat.
dance along with me. Come on, flap your flippers and flap. Feel the breeze and flap. Spin around and spin to an ice cold beat and spin. Step to the groove now and step, but not too fast and step. Everybody keep it cool and dance, dance, dance.
If the sun is hot,
And there's no shade around.
Have a drink of water. It will cool you down. Jump around now
And jump.
Feel the breeze
And jump.
Slide to the side
And slide.
to an ice cold beat.
And slide.
Step to the groove now
And step.
but not too fast.
And step.
Everybody keep it cool and dance, dance, dance.
there's one last thing to do before the final dance.
Ready, steady, here we go. Let's all water the plants.
Now flap.
Flap. Now spin.
Spin.
Now jump.
Jump.
Now slide.
Slide. Now step.
Step. Flap your flippers
And flap.
Feel the breeze
And flap.
Spin around
And spin.
to an ice cold beat
And spin.
Jump around now
And jump.
Feel the breeze
And jump.
We feel so cool.
So cool.
Let's make it last. So cool. Everybody keep it cool and dance, dance, dance.
Look what's that? A baby reindeer. He seems lost and a little cold.
Let's wrap him up warm in the hay, and soon he'll be ready to come and play. Reindeer, oh little reindeer.
Won't you join us? Let's laugh and play.
Reindeer, oh little reindeer.
We'll get you home for Christmas Day.
Snow was falling soft and white. They all ran outside to play.
Let's roll some snowballs stacked up high.
It's a snowman with a nose, mouth, and eyes.
Reindeer, oh little reindeer.
Won't you join us? Let's laugh and play.
Reindeer, oh little reindeer.
We'll get you home for Christmas Day.
The little reindeer missed his mama. I wonder where she's gone.
Then suddenly his nose began to glow.
Look, she's right over there in the snow.
Reindeer, oh little reindeer.
Won't you join us? Let's laugh and play.
Reindeer, oh little reindeer.
We'll get you home for Christmas Day.
Yeah, we got you.
Home for Christmas Day.
It's Earth Day. At LelLellobee City Farm, we're going to show you 3 things to help look after the earth every day.
Let's clean up the neighborhood. This litter really isn't good. So pick up all the trash on the ground, collect it,
Collect it.
and throw it in the bin.
Throw it in the bin.
Leftover vegetables are helpful, you know. We can use them as compost and help our plants grow. Let's go! On Earth Day, let's all join together. On Earth Day, we can make the world so much better. We live on Earth, so we need to keep it healthy and safe. Love the Earth on Earth Day.
Earth Day, Earth Day. So many ways to love the earth today. Earth Day, Earth Day. Let's love the earth every day.
Let's recycle. Take a plastic bottle.
And put it in the big green bin.
In the blue bin, put some paper.
You don't want to be a paper waster.
A cardboard box can be recycled too. Come on, everybody, you know what to do.
Let's sing our song. Come on, sing along.
On Earth Day, let's all join together.
for some fruit and veg, but the LelLellobee is stuck in the snow.
Oh, no.
We have to dig it out. Come on.
Yeah!
Oh.
Shovel, 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 shovel. Let's shovel all the snow.
Dance around, make some sound.
Put on a shovel show. So come on, grab a shovel and do the snow shuffle with me. Snow shovel, snow shovel.
We have to shovel if we want to go. The LelLellobee is stuck in the snow.
Oh no! Do you have a shovel? Let's do the snow shuffle. Dig your shovel in the snow.
Dig, dig, dig.
Lift it up and throw.
Yeah, dig your shovel in the snow.
Dig, dig, dig.
Lift it up and throw.
Come on, grab a shovel and do the snow shuffle with me. Snow shovel, snow shovel.
We work together to get the job done.
When you're shoveling with your friends, it's so much fun.
Do you have a shovel? Let's do the snow shuffle.
Swing your shovel side to side.
Swing, swing, swing.
Spin around and do a slide. Dig your shovel in the snow.
Dig, dig, dig.
Lift it up and throw.
Here we go.
Shuffle, shuffle, almost done. Shoveling is so much fun. Shovel, shovel all the snow. Here we go.
We shoveled all the snow, and now it's time to go.
You did the snow shuffle with me. A happy place.
A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
A happy place.
A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
Let's have fun,
Na na na,
have fun,
na na na.
wear a smile on your face today.
Let's have fun, na na na. Have fun, na na na. Wear a smile on your face today. A happy place.
A happy place.
Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place.
A happy place.
Let's all make the world a happy place.
Now let's jump.
Na na na,
Let's jump.
na na na.
Let's all reach for the stars today.
Now let's jump, na na na. Let's jump, na na na. Let's all reach for the stars today. A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
Now let's share.
Na na na,
Let's share.
na na na.
Show a loved one you care today. Now let's share.
Na na na,
Let's share.
na na na. Show a loved one you care today. At LelLellobee, we love to make the world a happy place. At LelLellobee, we sing this song. A happy place is where all good things grow.
Hi, I'm Ella. Look at that fluffy white cloud. I wonder where it's going. Let's follow it.
Clouds, clouds, look at all the clouds way up in the sky.
All different shapes and sizes.
Watch them floating by. What do you see?
Looks like an octopus to me.
Clouds are fluffy, clouds are light. Each one has a different size, made of water floating in the air.
Look, the clouds are everywhere. What do you see?
Looks like an elephant to me.
And what do you see?
A penguin standing happily. Lots of clouds up in the sky. Watch them as they're floating by.
If the clouds start turning grey,
It could be a rainy day.
clouds, clouds,
what do you see?
It's a giant flying bumblebee.
And when the flowers feel too dry, rain will drip from the sky.
Rain, rain, falling down from our friends, the lovely clouds. Rain is helpful, don't you know? It helps the good things grow. Come on, everybody!
Clouds, clouds,
Yay!
look at all the clouds as they drift away.
Thank them for the awesome show.
And all the lovely rain. Thank you, clouds. It's time for us to eat on the farm today.
Who wants to eat some food? Just let me know in your own way.
Can I have the carrot? Please, please, please.
That bright orange carrot looks yummy to me.
Wiggle my tail to say thank you. Wiggle, 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 that's what I do. Wiggle my tail, I'm so happy. I'll wiggle again to say thank you, my friend. It's time for us to eat on the farm today.
Who wants to eat some food? Just let me know in your own way.
Can I have the cucumber, please, please, please?
It looks so nice and oh so green.
Do a little limbo to say thank you. Limbo, 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 that's what I do. Limbo so low, I'm so happy. I'll limbo again to say thank you, my friend. It's time for us to eat on the farm today.
Who wants to eat some food? Just let me know in your own way.
Can I have the apple? Me, me, me.
What do you say?
Please, please, please. Shake, shake, shake to say thank you. Shake, shake, shaking, that's what I do. Shake, shake, shake all day long. Say please and thank you on LelLellobee City Farm. Oh little seed, you're in the ground below now. Oh little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. You're very small, but not for long. We love to sing our winter song. Oh little seed, we'll wait for you to grow now. Grow, 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 little tree.
Oh little tree, you're really growing taller. Oh little tree, you used to be much smaller. So nice and green among the snow, the friendly sun will help you grow. Oh little tree, how lovely are thy branches.
Grow, 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 little tree. Oh little tree, you are so big and green now. Oh little tree, you're big as you can be now. We'll sing the tree a lullaby. It's tall enough to touch the sky. Oh little tree, how lovely are thy branches. On LelLellobee, City Farm.
Whoa, Rishi! Your hand is way bigger than mine, but my hair's longer than yours. We're different.
Hey, look up at the sky. Watch as the snowflakes fall. Each one is different, and that's what makes them magical. Let's take a walk in the snow. Come on now, follow me. Look, your feet will make different shapes. Footprints for Ella and hoofprints for Heidi.
Fluffy and light, sparkly and bright. Let's dance like snowflakes do. Twirl and spin, spin.
Come on, join in.
Being different is what makes you you.
Look at everybody gathered round. You oink and you neigh. Just like each snowflake, you're all great in your own special way.
Fluffy and light, sparkly and bright. Snowflakes are different too. Let's celebrate just being you.
A single snowflake's pretty great, but look and you will see. Many snowflakes all together make a snowman, just like me. Like snowflakes, we're all special.
Whether we're big or small.
And if we work together, then anything is possible.
Fluffy and light, sparkly and bright. Let's dance like snowflakes do. Twirl and spin, spin. Come on, join in. Being different is what makes you you. Let's dance like snowflakes do. Yeah. Let's celebrate the holidays. Celebrate the holidays.
It's winter time, the end of the year.
We're full of laughter, we're full of cheer.
All of our friends are gathered now. We're gonna dance and sing out loud.
It's the best time of the year. Let's celebrate the holidays. Celebrate the holidays.
All of the lights, all of the fun.
I'm getting in the holiday mood.
A time to see your family. A time to gather round the holiday tree.
It's the best time of the year. Let's celebrate the holidays. Celebrate the holidays.
Let the menorah decorate the tree.
Don't you wanna make Diwali lanterns with me?
We're gonna party and have some fun today. The fun never stops at the holidays. Let's celebrate the holidays. Celebrate the holidays.